Silly season is starting hard, this time with Maximus Vohland saying, quote, "I want to thank KTM and Redbull for all the support over the years. My first sponsor was KTM Orange Brigade Amateur Program. We eventually moved up to TLD Racing Team and finally into the Redbull KTM Factory Racing Team. The last 3 years have been an incredible experience. Thank you all. Thank you to all the team and staff that made this possible. Special thanks to Ian and Roger for the opportunity, my mechanics, WC suspension, Now, I've read some things saying that this was going to happen, that he was leaving Red Bull. I don't know where he's going. I guess if you do know, or if you've heard any rumors, comment them down below, because it always helps, stuff like that. And kind of, who knows? Is he fast at some points? Yes. Has he kind of underperformed? Probably yes also. And maybe change your scenery is good. A lot of people, you get on one bike for so long, you get kind of comfortable, and then, if you move to another team, you have to relearn everything. New team, new suspension, new mechanics and workings and all that kind of stuff, and it kind of forces you back into, like, working hard. I don't know if that makes the right way, but if you know where he's going, or you just want to say how well you think he's going to do at his new team, because I'm assuming he's still going to get a nice ride, being a big name in this sport, or a big name in the 250s at least right now. Comment down below. Tell me where you think he's going to go, how well you think he's going to do, or just how well the next Supercross season is going to go. Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.